Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, scroll up, here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now you can go to Windows Update, and then if you see the retry option, you can click on retry and then check. Still not working, then go to Windows Update. In Windows settings, here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it over here. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. In my case, it's already done. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473 over here, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, scroll down, over here you can see the system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5079473 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option over here. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. This is the Microsoft website. Media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.